If you're experiencing a transfer pending status on Alpaca, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Alpaca account and navigate to the Transfers section. Confirm the current status of your transfer to ensure it is indeed pending and note any specific messages or details provided. Step 2. Review transfer requirements. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the transfer remains pending without clear reasons, reach out to Alpaca's customer support. Provide them with your account details and the specifics of the transfer to get assistance. Step 4. Verify account information. Double-check that all your account information is accurate and up-to-date. This includes your bank details, personal information, and any linked accounts that may affect the transfer process. Step 5. Wait for processing. After addressing any issues, be patient as transfers can take time to process. Monitor your account for updates and check back periodically to see if the status changes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfer issue on Alpaca. If problems persist, continue to engage with customer support for further assistance.